How many of you are into vintage Nitro? More specifically, by Schumacher. This video might interest you.
Alright, Racing 393 RC, just for a quick video really. Something which may interest you. I've got a kit coming in probably in the time of recording the video, it's tomorrow. You'll see this video in a short while in the future. I'm not going to leave it too long. But I've got a sort of a very vintage Nitro kit coming in. It's new in box as well. It really is quite rare. It's not everybody's cup of tea. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, I have actually shown various timelines of my past of various cars that I've had, so that might give you a little bit of a clue. And something I got rid of not that long ago in time wise, but I don't know, it's probably about, maybe it is longer than I realise. It's probably about 5 years ago, maybe 4, and I got rid of it, but I had it since early 2000s, and so only 5 years ago, say, I got rid of it. And ever since getting rid of it, I've regretted getting rid of it. But not that I've been hunting, but you know what it's like when you scour the internet and you find various things. You think, oh, there's one. And this came up. Now it was re-advertised on eBay. The first time it came up, it was like extortionate money. It made me think, God, I hope it wasn't worth that much. Because that's a lot of money. It's far too much. I think when it came out, it was probably between 250 and 300 UK pounds. And the person had it up for like 600 pounds. I was thinking, I know it's new in box and it hasn't been touched. It's still sealed. The box isn't, but everything in the box is. And I thought, that's a lot. I mean, I wouldn't pay 600 quid. Although I was contemplating, thinking, what would I pay? You know, what's the maximum? And I'd probably pay the asking price of what it was back in 2001. So I would have probably paid £250 for it. So I put a bid in. It had loads of watchers. It's one of these things that had over like 55 to 60 watchers at the time. And I'm thinking, there's people watching this that know probably what it's worth, and some people that want it. However, the actual kit and what it is not so mainstream. There is another Nitro, which I have featured on my channel, which is probably the sister or brother of that kit. It's not the same, but it is the same. And whilst I'm talking here, you should see a little bit of overlay of the sister stroke brother kit that I'm talking about. And looking at this, there's some very similar attributes that might give it away. So if you think you know what it is, stick it in the comments below. Let's see whether you can get it right or not. I'm not actually going to confirm whether you have or haven't, but it'd be nice to hear from people who want to have a little guess. Now, I'm not sure when the actual video will come out of when I get the product, but I thought I would just put this out there to give you a heads up. So it's a vintage Nitro. It's from the early 2000s. Cost about 250 to 300 UK pounds at the time. I'm not sure what the conversion would be actually. If I think of doing that, I'll stick it up on the screen of what today's money would be like. £300 in 2001. I don't know. It's got to be at least 5, isn't it? £500 maybe? I'm guessing. But I'll put it up now. And there you go. So that's how much it would have been in today's money. So, yeah. Let me know. Have a guess. Let me know what you think. Like I say, if you're a regular-ish watcher of my channel, you might already know, but we'll have another video soon, so please give the video a thumbs up, give it a guess, like the video, share the video, because other people can probably guess as well, and keep an eye out because a video will be coming soon of when I actually get it. It's actually been posted, so Royal Mail parcel force. We know what they can be like. So hopefully we'll receive that very soon. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this short-ish video, and I'll see you soon for an update. Bye for now.